Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of watching my video, thank you so much. You are highly welcome. For my returning viewers, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. So guys, today's video is not see this hairstyle. It was not planned. Okay, I was thinking hairstyle that I will make for my daughter. At least she will carry for 2 or 3 weeks before Christmas holiday. So I was like, okay, let me create any hairstyle, any style at all. And I have a wool, can also call it yarn. Yeah, I have it. I want to use it to make this a ponytail, and I add the wool to make a twist. I hope it will turn out good. I hope so. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Okay, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment on the hairstyle whether you like it. Okay, so guys, just sit back, let's grade this amazing hairstyle. Let's just let's grade this style together. Okay, so enjoy the video. Okay guys, as you can see, we made it. Just look at the hair, just look at it, so beautiful. Oh my god, I like this style so much. So guys, I believe if you have watched up on this time, you have given the video a thumbs up, you have comment, you have subscribed. Even if you have not, it's not too late. Okay, you can still do that. So just subscribe on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. What am I even talking? So that YouTube will notify you that I have uploaded a new video. Okay, just give it a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you think about the hairstyle. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.